In this video, I'm going to be pulling back the curtains and showing you exactly how to get your own qualified leads and appointments for your real estate business. Now, keep in mind, I am not going to be gatekeeping absolutely anything. I'll actually show you the exact ads we're running, the creatives, copy, headlines, as well as the exact qualification funnel that we've used to fully solve the online lead quality issue. So by the end of this video, you'll be fully capable of generating your own qualified leads and appointments on a predictable basis. Now, with that being said, let's dive in. So firstly, if you're working with a lead gen agency right now, Zillow, or any sort of online leads, you're probably dealing with a ton of tire kickers, people with crazy timelines, or just don't want anything to do with you. And the reason why these companies never really work is because all they really care about is getting you the lowest cost per lead. They see you more of a number. And with that, they run very generic cookie cutter ads. And what that process usually looks like is this right here. So first starts with a very generic ad, goes to an auto-filled form, and then some sort of instant list. So starting off with the ad, as you can see right here, very generic. The profile picture is a palm tree. And then it just says Southwest Florida. Get a free list of homes for sale under 300K. Click learn more to get your free list. As you can see, very generic photo. It'll then send them to an auto-filled form where it autofills their name, email, number, which, by the way, takes 2 taps of your finger to fill out this form. Absolutely no intent, and also can usually have wrong information. And then after that, they get their instant list under 300K. So very low budget prospects right here. But that is essentially the entire process right there. Now, there are quite a few issues with this. First of all, as mentioned, with a lead magnet of an instant list under X price, first of all, you're getting people only under that price. So very low budget prospects, as well as many people who are just curious to see the instant list, see the houses under that price in their area, etc. And also, once again, since the ad isn't branded whatsoever, they don't even know you're a real estate agent. Now, in regards to the lead form, as mentioned, because it only takes 2 taps of your thumb, there's really low intent right there for someone to become a lead. There's also no qualification in that process, once again, so anyone who's just curious could be tapping on it. And that's what's going to get you a lot of people not remembering clicking on the ad when you call them up. Who are you? Why are you calling me? I didn't sign up for that, etc., etc. So overall, in conjunction, all of this leads to a very large quantity of leads. However, very little quality leads. And as a busy agent, unless you have an ISA or some sort of virtual assistant to be constantly following up with 1 million leads a month, this process just isn't practical, isn't profitable in most cases, and definitely not ideal. Now, good news is we have the solution, and that is essentially our 5-step system right here, which starts with personalized ads, sends them to a disqualification form, then to a landing page with a qualification survey, a personal video from the realtor, and then the calendar booking page. So getting straight into things, it all starts with the personalized ads. Now, this right here is the exact ad that we're running for one of our clients, Jared. As you can see, the exact copy, headlines, and images. As you can see right here, the image, very personal, not just a generic stock photo, anything like that. The copy right here, attention Vegas, say goodbye to endless searching, get a free handpicked list of homes crafted just for you. Comment down below the #1 must-have feature in your dream home and click the learn more button to unlock your custom list. So in this case, the lead magnet that we're running is a custom list of homes, not an instant list under X price, which attracts a whole different type of clientele. Also, just a little key tip, the comment down below call to action actually helps with the post engagement, which can then get lower CPMs. Just a small tip. Now, from this ad, when they do click on it, we're then going to send them to a disqualification survey. So essentially what that looks like is asking them a very simple question on the front end, such as, when are you looking to buy a home? Now, with this, we have 5 different options. And this last one is very important. So within 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 9+ months, or I'm not serious about buying a house, I'm just browsing. Now, what having this specific answer does is essentially weeds out all of the people who are just looking, just browsing. They're not actually serious about buying. Maybe they're just curious, etc. Now, through something called conditional logic, we're able to actually disqualify them and not let them come through as a lead, which means that you're not going to be wasting any time with people who are just browsing, just looking. The only leads that are going to be allowed to come through are going to have a timeline within 3 months, within 6 months, etc. Now, how you actually go about setting this up in Facebook is very simple. When you are creating your instant form, when you go to questions, there's a little checkbox that says conditional logic. So essentially, you just click this and then add your questions. In your case, it's going to be a multiple choice asking, when are you looking to buy? And then you can have your answers. As you can see right here, that is what that would look like. And then when it comes to the logic part of things, with all of these answers, depending on how strict you are, right here is where you would essentially say if they submit the form or close the form. So obviously for people who say within 3 months, you would want them to submit and go through. Same with 3 to 6 months. And then when it comes to 6 to 9, 9+, that's completely up to you. I usually recommend leaving that as good. 9+ months, you can start disqualifying. So then in this case, as you can see, it would close the form and then send them to the end page for non-leads. And then just browsing, obviously you don't want those people. Now you can add more questions as well. Also using this conditional logic, just know the more questions you add on the front end, the less submissions and the higher cost per lead you are going to get. Now that's essentially how that disqualification form works. And as you know, if they say within 3 months, 3 to 6 months, etc., then we will then take their name, email, number. Now, after we get their name, email, number, it's not done from there. This is probably the most important part that nobody talks about or no one really does. And it essentially says, wait, you're not done. For access to your list, just click the button below. And then when they click on this button, we're going to then send them to a landing page. Now, this landing page, you do want to have your image as well as the city and also your lead magnet. Once again, congruency is very, very important when it comes to landing pages, to the ads, to the form, all of that. You want it to all be congruent, but it does not have to be complex whatsoever. Just a headline, subheadline, and then a button. Now, essentially what happens when they click on this button is a survey will pop up qualifying them entirely with whatever questions you want to ask. Now, here's an example of some leads that came through the survey. We call them hot leads. Someone who essentially goes through the initial form, goes to the landing page, clicks on the button, fills out the entire survey, and then manually inputs their name, email, number once again, improving the accuracy of the information that we get submitted. So now in regards to some of the questions we ask, we first ask, are they looking to buy or sell? Do they own a house? Are they looking to sell that house? If they do own a house, and then if they do say they're looking to sell, we then ask their address. We then ask their house requirements. So what type of house do they want? 3-bed, 2-bath, etc. Their timeline once again, as well as their income, pre-approval status. And if they do say that they're not pre-approved, we'll then ask their credit score. And very, very important question, are you working with a realtor? We obviously don't want people who are working with a realtor already. And then we ask the best time to call them. And with that entire survey, that is what we call a hot lead. And about 20% of all leads that come through will fully fill out this survey. And essentially, you know, they are very high intent and you know all of their information when it comes to their pre-approval status, their budget, their timeline, their intent, are they working with a realtor, etc. Essentially, every question you would want to know about a prospect gets answered in this survey. Now, from here, after they fill out that survey, we're then going to send them to the next page with a quick thank you video personalized from the realtor. Now, this is very, very important. And essentially, I'm going to be giving away the entire script. As I said, no gatekeeping right here. So it's essentially a video introducing yourself. As you can see right here, hey, this is John from Remax. Thank you so much for signing up for a custom Miami home search. I'll be reaching out to you via the information you submitted to ask you a few questions, to ask about what you're looking for, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, price point, etc., so we can better serve your needs and help you set up a custom home search. This way we could shortcut your searching process, and from there I'll guide you through the exact buying process if you wish to proceed. So if you see a phone call come in from an unrecognized local area code, there's a good chance it's me. In the meantime, if you have a preferred time in mind, just book a call directly below using the calendar below this video, etc. You could pause right here, screenshot this script right here, copy it word for word. But essentially what it's doing is introducing yourself and also making it very clear what the next steps are for this prospect. So as mentioned before, in the past, you're probably used to people saying, who are you and why are you calling me? This video essentially answers both of those questions, who you are, why you're calling them, and just outlining the next steps. For them to get their custom list, they will need to talk to you on the phone. And linking into the last part of it, if they want to book a call directly with you, the calendar link will be right below. And what we have found is 50 to 60% of hot leads that come through will actually book a call directly on the calendar. That way, you don't even need to reach out to them. They are coming to you on their own time directly on your calendar. So that's essentially the entire breakdown of this 5-step system to bring you qualified leads and appointments who actually want to talk to you. And just to recap once again, these are actual serious prospects, people with reasonable timelines, because we're disqualifying the ones who don't. They actually know you're an agent because everything's branded to you. And through this qualification system, there's very high intent. Each lead is deeply qualified with their timeline, budget, pre-approval status, working with a realtor, etc. And also, they're actually going to know who you are. Because of that video, they're going to recognize your name and that voice from the video, and you'll probably hear, oh, you're that guy from Facebook. And once again, they're going to be expecting that call from you or booking a call directly in your calendar, coming to you inbound. Now, with all that being said, if you actually take action and implement this entire system, you will be this guy right here, making a ton of money, very, very happy, doing what you love, being able to provide for your family, getting a nice car, whatever it is you like. This exact system will help you get there. Now, the one caveat of this is you actually need to take action. So there's really 2 steps you could go down now, which is number 1, take what I've given you here. Once again, I've showed you absolutely everything, no gatekeeping. You can absolutely take this and implement it yourself. Or if you find you don't quite have the time, maybe you're too busy with other work, or just don't want to go through that entire learning curve, what you can do is click the first link in the description down below and book a call directly with me to see if you'd be a good fit for us to actually work with you and implement this system for you, completely run by us on autopilot. That way you don't have to spend all the time and money trying to figure it out yourself. Either way though, once again, hope this video was helpful. In the case that you're not in this situation for us to implement it for you, no worries whatsoever. Just click the subscribe button and the like button. And don't forget to share this video with anyone else you think would find value in it. Now, all that said, catch you in the next one.